So you don't have to write this down, but just as a review. How would you solve that? You just won't have to write it down. Everybody writes it down. Okay. Yeah.
-7.
So subtract 7 from both sides. And the equation looks like equals 1 subtract 7. -6. Divided by 5. Whatever you do to one side, you do both. And what do I do with this answer? No.
Reduce it.
Yeah, otherwise, just leave it as it is, right? If it doesn't divide cleanly, which this one doesn't, and I can't reduce it, that's my final answer. Okay? So we talked about two-step equations. What happens though, and this is a very similar question, notice this time we've got variables on both sides of the equal sign. So this is a little different than this one, okay? Well, I'm not used to that. I'm used to just seeing the variables on one side and then I get rid of everything and get the variable by itself. What do I have to do here, Julia? Exactly. We have to bring the A's together on one side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 2 A's from the right side of the equation and have them join the 5 A's on the other side. But remember, to get rid of 2A, I have to subtract 2A. And whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So 2A minus 2A cancel each other out. And on the left side of the equation, well, what's 5A subtract 2A? 3A. What else is still there? What else is still on the left side? Plus 7. And what's the only thing on the right side now? Plus 1. So when you have variables on both sides of the equation, you have to join them up on one side, okay? And usually what we do is we take the variables on the right and join them to the ones on the left of the equal sign. So now it's a two-step equation. Now it looks something like this. What do I do next? minus 7, and I get 3A is equal to -6. Next, divide 3, and A is equal to -2. That does divide 3. And that's my answer. Okay, so that's sort of the next stage in equation solving. What happens when we have variables on both sides? Join them up. So let's just do a couple other examples. This one here. What would you do first? Do I have variables on both sides? Yes. So I need to address that first. So take the 4x's on the left. Oh. Take the 4x's on the left and have them join the 6x's on, sorry, the 4x's on the right and have them join the 6x's on the left. So how do I get rid of the 4x's here? Minus 4x takes them out. But whatever you do to one side, you do to the other. So what does the left side of the equation look like now?
2x plus 2.
2x plus 2, and the right side, 10. And now I've got a two-step equation. Get rid of the plus 2, get rid of the times 2. Remember, reverse order of operations and we solve. So next, oh, hello.
Subtract 2.
Subtract 2 from both sides. This thing's acting up today.
There's a ghost.
Yeah. What does the equation look like?
2x is equal to 8.
And then divided by 2, divided by 2, and x is equal to 4.
4.
And that's your final answer. Okay? You guys try this one. Let's have a look. What's the first thing you're going to do? Subtract 2c, because I need to take the 2c's over there. And to take them over there, I have to do the opposite. So subtract 2c, subtract 2c. What does the equation look like?
Negative 5c plus 7 equals 8.
Right? Watch out for your negatives there. Now, subtract 7, subtract 7. And I get negative 5c is equal to?
Negative 15.
Negative 15.
Then divide both by negative.
Divide both sides by negative 5. And I get positive 3. That's what you should get. Okay? I'm going to stop there for now because I'm going to do the fractions tomorrow, because the fractions takes a little bit of work. Okay? And I want to just sort of do this a little bit at a time. Get you used to solving equations with variables on both sides.